Hey guys, it's Happy Dude, and today we are going to do an oil change on the BMW M2. I do it every 10,000 miles or 15,000 kilometers. Okay, let's begin. First, pop the hood.
It pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood. To JCN.
Then take off this cover to make it a bit easier. Do it side by side so you don't break the little plastics like here. Now make sure the engine is sitting still for a few hours so all the oil can make its way down. Then next, open this oil cap, the filler cap. Then loosen this oil filter housing with one of these. The measurement is 86/16 and S40 S80. It's almost the same for all the engines of BMW except for the newer ones, I think. I'm not sure. Even for the diesels, it's the same. It's don't do this with a universal oil filter with a chain or something, because you could damage this plastic cap. Then make sure you have the right oil filter. Now I have two. This is a real BMW oil filter, and this one is from the brand MAN, and this one costs 11 euros and the original BMW filter costs 27 euros. The only difference is here is BMW M written on it, also a MAN filter made in Germany, and this one, as you can see, is the same. And I cannot see any differences between the two. They are completely the same, so you can save a lot of money by just ordering this one. All the accessories are with this cheap filter also, as well as the BMW one. And then pull the oil filter housing out. And now you can pull it out. Okay, and then you loosen up the oil filter. Also replace the seal, and also the seal. Clean everything off. You can do it with a flat screwdriver, a small one. And then take the new O-rings and put them on. Okay, then take the new oil filter and with the letters up, make sure it's at the bottom, and then clean the oil filter housing first. Okay, that's nice and clean. And now it's time to drain the oil. Make sure your container is big enough for all the oil. So 17 millimeters. I'm going to take my red gloves. They are resistant against chemicals and oils. Then clean the bolt, and don't forget to replace this copper ring. And then you can screw the oil filter back into place. Now this doesn't need to be very tight. Just when you feel that you can't turn anymore, just give it a little bit more and then stop. And then don't forget the new copper ring and put the 17 millimeter bolt back into place. And when the bolt is nice and tight, make sure to clean everything off. Make sure this one is clean also before you use it. And also make sure you have the right oil. This is the right one, 5W30. This one is reinforced with titanium. The brand is Castrol Edge. It's the best oil for this engine and also for the 335i. It's the same engine, n55. Normally it's 6.5 liters of oil. And then first put the engine cover on before you put the oil cap on. Otherwise it's a bit difficult and you can maybe break some plastic parts here. Also make sure all the rubbers are inside. Here's one missing, so it needs to be on the engine. Here it is. Make it a bit wet and then glide it in. So first the cover. You can feel with your fingers if you're in the right position. Okay, and then the oil filler cap. Okay, now you can start the engine and then check if you have any leaks. There already, that's old oil. Okay, and then you warm up the engine and then you can check in the computer if there is enough oil inside the engine. Then when you drove around a bit and the engine is at temperature, press menu and then go to my car status, then go to the left, engine oil, and then press start just to make sure. Start measurement. The RPM goes up and now it's going to give us an accurate reading of the engine oil. Perfect. Just under the maximum. That's what you want.